Hello everyone, welcome to Beyond One Way. Today we are making this delicious chicken thigh dish with caramelized onions. This dish only uses 5 ingredients and it is also low in sodium. A must-try recipe for people who are watching their salt intake. Let's get started. First, we need to make the chicken marinade with balsamic vinegar, pesto sauce. Here I use the basil pesto sauce from Costco and some honey. The acidity and the sweetness from the balsamic vinegar, the saltiness from the pesto sauce, and the sweetness from the honey are the reasons why this marinade is full of rich flavor and it's making our chicken dish so delicious. Here's 1 pound of boneless and skinless chicken thighs. Trim the excessive fat, then clean and pat dry before putting them in the marinade. Marinate the chicken thighs for 15 minutes in the fridge. I found marinating them longer did not improve the flavor too much, so 15 minutes is all you need. Slice 1 medium-sized onion before you are ready to cook the chicken. If you use a non-stick frying pan, no need to add any oil. Just make sure the frying pan is hot before you place the chicken thighs in. Reserve the remaining marinade. We will use that later. Cook the chicken thighs on medium heat for 90 seconds on each side, then take them out of the pan. The chicken will not be fully cooked at this time. Now place the sliced onions in that same frying pan. The liquid from cooking the chicken earlier is enough to help saute and soften the onions. When the onions become semi-soft, place the chicken thighs back into the pan. I find when I put the sauteed onions on top of the chicken thighs makes this dish tastier. I'm not sure the science behind it, but if you know, please share with me. Pour the marinade you reserved earlier into the pan and cover with a lid. Simmer the chicken thighs on medium-low for 8 to 10 minutes, or until chicken thighs are fully cooked, then take them out of the pan but leave the onions inside. As you can see, the marinade liquid is quite thin right now, so let's slowly reduce it on a low heat until it becomes thicker and coats the onions. Look how the onions are perfectly caramelized with that balsamic marinade, and it also has a glaze-like shine that coats the chicken thighs beautifully. Decorate with some chopped fresh parsley, a flavorful, tasty, and beautiful dish that you can serve at any time. This recipe makes 4 servings, and each serving has about 210 milligrams of sodium. Definitely good for those who want to watch their sodium intake. Check out my playlist if you are interested in more of low sodium recipe videos like this. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you enjoyed this video. Happy eating and see you next time!